Why is EVLV so strongly bullish? Its 200-day moving average is sloping bullishly upwards. High prices expected to keep laying out up till the end of August. So the company is one of such companies, one of the sort of companies that NVDA and Cisco are hoping to target in the next phase of AI, because AI's next phase is the inferencing phase. This is the phase where all that the technology has, or the large language models have, or rather the models have learned, or that they have learned. They now have to come and implement them. You know, make decisions, interpret them, provide real world solutions, and all that stuff. And obviously, it's going to be companies. So this company already is doing that, but they're using models, AI models that are for you and I, the ones that you and I are using. That's the sort of models they are using. The next sort of models are the ones that NVIDIA is developing chips for, and Cisco is developing connectivity for, and indeed all of that for infrastructure. So they're already doing that, and you can see the stock is has gained, or let's see, now it has gained. It's strongly bullish. The reason why it's strongly bullish is you can see 32% over the last 1 month, six over the last 6 months, 92.79% over the last 1 year, 115.28%. So I know it doesn't mean that by the time enterprise AI rolls out, that the stock will continue to even do higher. So the company is developing artificial intelligence based weapons detection to create safer experiences for venues and companies, as well as schools, hospitals, and public spaces. Its solutions combine proprietary software and hardware delivered as a long-term security as a service subscription model, and are designed to enhance security and improve the visitor experience. So you can see its a business model is also good as well. It has a subscription model. This is what analysts want to see. Analysts are important to us because they tell us, they do the research, and their opinions matter. The funds, pick up their opinions, and they take up positions, and they help to stabilize the stock. And ultimately, you and I will see that, and then it goes on that way. So they want to see sources of recurring revenue. So for instance, if these guys were just making hardware, and then there's no subscription model in it, it's not going to be good. They want to see some subscription there. It's they're selling hardware. Maybe there's a software attached to the hardware. Every month, the customer pays a fee, and the software keeps providing, pays a fee for the software and all that. That's so they're already doing that. So amongst other things as well, you know the the company is going ahead with you know the technology of our time, and then it also has a good business model amongst other things, and also providing, and you and I know security is now a big issue everywhere in the world. Everywhere in the world, security is a big issue. So security is gradually, it's so fundamental now, so fundamental. As a matter of fact, if there's no security, I can't be talking to you now, you can't be listening to me now. So I'm not promoting this company, but it's out there for you to see if I'm making sense, or I'm just, it's rather pretty much obvious. So we have a couple of projections. It's not The stock is not a volatile stock. It's not a volatile stock. It's just been doing well since late April of this year. So we have been able to find a couple of projections, 9.52. Including this, we have 8.91, 9.52, 10.63, 11.73, 12.81. Yeah, buying pressure is very strong, but not extremely strong. Just very good based on this daily chart. But the daily chart is not always active. The 4 hour chart is a proxy to it. A proxy. It's a microscopic proxy. So here, everything is a lot more magnified. You can see buying pressure very high, robust derivatives indicating that at least if there's any pullback, it's good. The stock is going to fall back on something. And here, high prices are extrapolated to keep printing. Nothing, no dip, nothing, just a minor dip here. But it's the uptrend is expected to remain in place up till Tuesday, the 26th of August. Here, we can't find any projections beyond what I've mentioned. Nothing beyond 12.81. On this 4 hour chart, I don't think there's anything beyond 9.62. I don't think so. No, 8.07, nothing here. Nothing really as such. Let's have a look at the 1 minute charts. We may have some radical projections sometimes. 7.98, 8.01. Yeah, nothing really like that. We can check the 5 minute. Let's see what we have here. We have 8.94. We've seen that already. 8.94, nothing. Yeah, not so volatile. Not It's not that popular as well. Not really that popular. You know. So just have a look and see what you make of the stock. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.